For many years now, Mother Nature has been slowly and constantly being destroyed for the development of urban cities, factories and other reasons. Global warming has increased to an inconceivable level and poses a huge threat to crop yields, loss of habitat and to the human life. This is primarily caused by deforestation and increased concentrations of greenhouse gases produced by human activities like burning of fossil fuels to generate energy sources such as electricity. The earth is constantly being dug in search of coal, which is a huge source of power to generate electricity. The constant release of CO2 from the power plants harm the environment. On an average, 5.12 units of electricity is used to heat 100 liters of water, leading to an emission of 4.5 kgs of CO2. On the other hand, on installing a solar water heater, you save approximately Rs 8,900 annually, resulting in a lifetime saving of Rs 1 lakh, and in turn reduces 1.5 tons of CO2 emission annually, which is close to burning 650 liters of petrol. Solar water heaters is an eco-friendly and a sustainable alternative for heating water, as it is pollution-free, and the inexhaustible supply of sun makes it a wise investment with its near-zero operational cost. Using solar energy is the most eco-friendly and cost-effective method for heating water, as there is no use of electricity or gas consumption. It is easy to use and install, cost-effective and eco-friendly. In a family of 4, installing a solar water heater of 100 liters per day, you save approximately Rs 8,900 annually and a lifetime saving of Rs 1 lakh. How can we at Recold help you save energy? Recold has a total installed capacity of 11 million liters of water per day. In other words, a total of 5,52,120 units of electricity is expected to be saved per day, yielding in a reduction of 475 tons in CO2 emissions per day. This leads to a reduction in CO2 emissions of 1.5 lakh tons per annum, which is close to burning 65 million liters of petrol. Presenting Recold Solar Water Heaters that endure you to save the earth every day with the most advanced and cost-effective water heating systems. There are 3 range of superior and efficient solar water heaters. Omega Max 8, which performs best under high pressure. Omega provides super efficient heating, and Alpha absorbs maximum energy and quickly heats the water. All these products use the most innovative technologies like Duranox inner container, Omega collector and high absorption vacuum tube. This range of solar water heaters is from the house of the largest manufacturer and seller of water heaters, Recold Thermo Limited, a fully owned subsidiary of Ariston Thermo Group. Recold has expertise in the water heating industry and has a complete range of electric, solar and gas water heaters. We constantly develop durable and efficient products that are equipped with the best technology, attractive aesthetics with international quality standards. Recold is a channel partner of the MNRE, that is, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Moreover, Ariston Thermo Group's understanding of local needs has enabled us to see energy efficiency as a synergy between optimum comfort, savings to the user, and benefits to the environment. Recold has been awarded Best Performed Manufacturer on Installation of Solar Water Heaters in 2011-2012 by the MNRE, Government of India. We also won the Energy Conservation Award from BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, consecutively 3 times for electric storage water heaters for the years 2010, 2011 and 2012. Our vast network and effective after-sales service has empowered the brand to provide water heating solutions to all sectors, that is domestic, commercial and industrial. We have won the trust of millions of customers by giving energy-efficient comfort and warmth. We have successfully implemented many solar water heating projects, catering to various sectors like consumer home, realty, hospitality, industrial, educational, and healthcare. That's not all. We have also been associated with the Beijing Olympics 2008, where our parent company, Ariston Thermo Group, installed solar water heating systems with a capacity of 8 lakh liters per day. Let's see what our customers have to say.
जेव्हापासून मी रेकॉर्ड वॉटर हीटर वापरायला सुरुवात केली तेव्हापासून मला MACBच्या बिलात निम्म्यापेक्षा जास्तीने फरक पडला. मला पूर्वीचं बिल साधारण 1100 ते 1200 रुपयाच्या आसपास येत होतं. आता ते पूर्णपणे कमी होऊन अराउंड 500 ते 600 रुपयाच्या आसपास येतं. 24 तास गरम पाण्यासाठी एकच पर्याय फक्त रेकॉर्ड वॉटर हीटर.
इन्स्टॉलेशनसुद्धा याचं इतकं सिंपल आहे की आम्हाला त्याचा काही त्रास झाला नाही आणि त्यांची सर्व्हिससुद्धा सुंदर आहे.
We have installed 2.25 lakhs liter solar panels of Record solar water heaters in the various campuses of the society in boys and girls hostels. These solar panels, they are working wonderfully well. We are very much satisfied. They hardly need any after sales service. They are maintenance free and we are very much satisfied with the performance.
Record, reborn every day with hot water.